must wear a face covering on Transport for Wales train services, unless you're exempt. Please keep it on for the duration of your journey. Thank you for your cooperation.
Your attention please on platform 4. We are sorry that the 1641 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour has been cancelled. This is due to severe weather. Great Western Railway apologises for the inconvenience this may cause you.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda ar y pedwar. Mae'n ddrwg gennym fod y gwasanaeth 19 munud i 5 o'r gloch Great Western Railway i Harbwr Portsmouth wedi ei dileu. Mae hyn o ganlyniad i mae Great Western Railway yn ymddiheuro am unrhyw anghyfleustra a chosir i chi.
Please do not leave your luggage unattended on the station. Luggage left unattended may be removed without warning or damaged or destroyed by the security services.
Peidiwch â gadael eich eiddo heb neb i ofalu amdano os gwelwch yn dda. Gall eiddo sydd wedi adael gael ei symud, ei ddifa neu ddifrodi gan y gwasanaethau diogelwch.
Codi'r taliadau cosb erbyn hyn ledled holl rwydwaith Great Western Railway. Gwnewch yn siŵr eich bod yn prynu'ch tocyn cyn mynd ar y tren lle mae cyfleusterau ar gael.
Your attention please. We are sorry that the 1703 service to Manchester Piccadilly is delayed by approximately 14 minutes. This is due to severe weather. Transport for Wales apologises for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda. Mae'n ddrwg gennym fod gwasanaeth 3 munud wedi 5 o'r gloch i Fanceinion Piccadilly wedi oedi o ddeutu 14 munud. Mae hyn o ganlyniad i mae Trafnidiaeth Cymru yn ymddiheuro am yr oedi hwn ac am unrhyw anghyfleustra a phosib i chi.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 1714 cross-country service to Cardiff Central, calling at Cardiff Central only. First class accommodation is available on the train. Platform 2 for the 1714 cross-country service to Cardiff Central. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Y tren nesaf i gyrraedd platform 2 fydd y gwasanaeth 14 munud wedi 5 o'r gloch cross-country i Gaerdydd Canolog. Yn galw am Gaerdydd Canolog yn unig. Mae llety dosbarth cyntaf ar gael ar y tren hwn. Platform 2 am y gwasanaeth 14 munud wedi 5 o'r gloch cross-country i Gaerdydd Canolog.
All of our trains and stations are no smoking areas. Please do not smoke until you have left the station premises.
Mae'n trenau angorsafoedd I gyd yn ardaloedd dim ysmygu. Peidiwch â smygu tan I chi adael yr orsaf os gwelwch yn dda.
The train now approaching platform 4 is the 1703 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Cwmbran, Pontypool and Newing, Abergavenny, Hereford, Leicester, Ludlow, Craven Arms, Church Stretton, Shrewsbury, Whitchurch, Nantwich, Crewe, Wilmslow, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. Platform 4 for the 1703 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly.
Y tren sy'n nesau at platform 4 yw gwasanaeth 3 munud wedi 5 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru I Fanceinion Piccadilly. Yn galw am Cwmbran, Pontypool a Newin, Yfenny, Henffordd, Leicester, Llwydion, Craven Arms, Church Stretton a Mwythig, Eglwys Wen, Nantwich, Crewe, Wilmslow, Stockport a Manceinion Piccadilly. Platform 4 am y gwasanaeth 3 munud wedi 5 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru I Manceinion Piccadilly.
Your attention please on platform 2. We are sorry that the 1735 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central has been cancelled. This is due to trespassers on the railway. Great Western Railway apologises for the inconvenience this may cause you. Your attention please. We are sorry that the 1735 service to London Paddington is delayed by approximately 10 minutes. This is due to the train making extra stops because of service disruption. Great Western Railway apologises for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda. Mae'n drwg gennym bod gwasanaeth 25 munud i 6 o'r gloch i Llundain Paddington wedi oedi o ddeutu 10 munud. Mae hyn o ganlyniad i mae Great Western Railway yn ymddiheuro am yr oedi hwn ac am unrhyw anghyfleustra a phosib i chi.
Your attention please. We are sorry that the 1741 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour has been cancelled. This is due to severe weather earlier. Great Western Railway apologises for the inconvenience this may cause you. The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 1401 cross-country service to Nottingham, calling at Gloucester, Cheltenham Spa, Worcestershire Parkway, Birmingham New Street, Tamworth, Burton-on-Trent, Derby and Nottingham. First class accommodation is at the rear of the train. Platform 3 for the 1401 cross-country service to Nottingham. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Y tren nesaf i gyrraedd platform 3 fydd y gwasanaeth 1 munud wedi 2 o'r gloch cross-country i Nottingham yn galw am Haerloyw, Cheltenham Spa, Birmingham New Street, Tamworth, Burton-on-Trent, Derby a Nottingham. Mae adran dosbarth cyntaf ar gael yn nghefn y tren. Platform 3 am y gwasanaeth 1 munud wedi 2 o'r gloch cross-country i Nottingham. Hanner ymuno ar tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platform, os gwelwch yn dda.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 1323 Great Western Railway service to Carmarthen, calling at Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Port Talbot Parkway, Neath, Swansea, Llanelli, Pembrey and Barry Port, Kidwelly, Ferryside and Carmarthen. Platform 2 for the 1323 Great Western Railway service to Carmarthen. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. First class accommodation can be found in zones 4, 4, 5, 9 and 10. Standard class in zones 1, 2, 3 and 6 to 8. Cycle spaces in zones 2 and 7. Wheelchair facilities in zones 5 and 10.
Y tren nesaf i gyrraedd platform 2 fydd y gwasanaeth 23 munud wedi 1 o'r gloch Great Western Railway i Gaerfyrddin yn galw am Haerdydd, Canolog, Pen-y-bont ar Ogwr, Talbot Parkway, Castell Nedd, Abertawe, Llanelli, Pembrey a Ffordd Tywyn, Kidwelly, Llanferry a Chaerfyrddin. Platform 2 am y gwasanaeth 23 munud wedi 1 o'r gloch Great Western Railway i Gaerfyrddin. Hanner ymuno ar tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platform, os gwelwch yn dda.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 1414 Great Western Railway service to Penzance, calling at 7 Tunnel Junction, Patchway, Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Meads, Bedminster, Parson Street, Nailsea and Backwell, Yatton, Whirl, Western Milton, Weston-super-Mare, Highbridge and Burnham, Bridgewater, Taunton, Exeter St David's, Dawlish Warren, Dawlish, Teignmouth, Newton Abbot, Totnes, Ivybridge, Plymouth, Saltash, St Germans, Menheniad, Liskeard, Bodmin Parkway, Lostwithiel, Har, St Austell, Truro, Redruth, Cambourne, Hale, St Erth and Penzance. Platform 3 for the 1414 Great Western Railway service to Penzance. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Y tren nesaf i gyrraedd platform 3 fydd y gwasanaeth 14 munud wedi 2 o'r gloch Great Western Railway i Penzance. Yn galw yn cyffordd Twnnel Hafren, Patchway, Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Meads, Bedminster, Parson Street, Nailsea and Blackwell, Yatton, Whirl, Western Milton, Weston-super-Mare, Highbridge and Burnham, Bridgewater, Tollgate, East Dewi Sant, Dawlish Warren, Dawlish, Teignmouth, Newton Abbot, Totnes, Iverbridge, Plymouth, Saltash, St Germans, Menheniot, Lisgard, Bodmin Parkway, Lostwithiel, Parr, St Austell, Truro, Redruth, Campbell, Hale, St Earth a Penzance. Platform 3 am y gwasanaeth 14 munud wedi 2 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I Penzance. Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platform, os gwelwch yn dda.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 1439 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth and Southsea, calling at Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Meads, Keynsham, Oldfield Park, Barsbar, Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge, Westbury, Dilton Marsh, Warminster, Salisbury, Romsey, Southampton Central, Barham, Cosham, Fratton and Portsmouth and Southsea. Platform 4 of the 1439 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth and Southsea. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. Dilton Marsh is a request stop, and passengers for this station should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to alight. Train stops in zones 3 to 7, cycle spaces in zones 4 and 6, wheelchair facilities in zone 5.
Y tren nesaf I gyrraedd platform 4 bydd y gwasanaeth 21 munud I 3 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I Portsmouth and Southsea. Yn galw yn Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Meads, Keynsham, Oldfield Park, Caerfaddon, Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge, Westbury, Dilton Marsh, Warminster, Caersathol, Romsey, Southampton Central, Fareham, Cosham, Fratton a Portsmouth and Southsea. Platform 4 am y gwasanaeth 21 munud I 3 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I Portsmouth and Southsea. Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platform, os gwelwch yn dda. Mae Dilton Marsh yn orsaf aros ar gais, a dylai teithwyr yr orsaf hwn ofyn i'r tocynnwr ar y tren I drefnu'r gwasanaeth I aros, i'w galluogi I ddod oddi ar y tren a
Your attention please on platform 4. This is a platform alteration. The next train to arrive at platform 3 is the 1803 Transport for Wales service to Crewe, calling at Cwmbran, Pontypool and Newing, Abergavenny, Hereford, Leicester, Ludlow, Craven Arms, Church Stretton, Shrewsbury and Crewe. Platform 3 for the 1803 service to Crewe.
I'r sylw os gwelwch yn dda ar platform 4, dyma newid platform. Y tren nesaf I gyrraedd platform 3 yw gwasanaeth 3 munud wedi 6 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru I Crewe. Yn galw am Cwmbran, Pontypool a Newyn, Yfenny, Henffordd, Leicester, Llwdiwr, Craven Arms, Church Stretton a Mwythig a Crewe. Platform 3 am y gwasanaeth 3 munud wedi 6 o'r gloch I Crewe.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 1759 cross-country service to Nottingham, calling at Chepstow, Gloucester, Cheltenham Spa, Ashchurch for Tewkesbury, Worcestershire Parkway, University, Birmingham New Street, Wilmcote, Tamworth, Burton-on-Trent, Derby, Long Eaton, Beeston and Nottingham. First-class accommodation is at the front of the train. Platform 3 for the 1759 cross-country service to Nottingham. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Y tren nesaf I gyrraedd platform 3 bydd y gwasanaeth 1 munud I 6 o'r gloch cross-country I Nottingham. Yn galw am Hasgwent, Carboyw, Cheltenham Spa, Ashchurch for Tewkesbury, University, Birmingham New Street, Wilmcote, Tamworth, Burton-on-Trent, Derby, Long Eaton, Beeston a Nottingham. Mae adran dosbarth cyntaf ar gael yn blaen y tren. Platform 3 am y gwasanaeth 1 munud I 6 o'r gloch cross-country I Nottingham. Pan yn ymuno'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platfform. Ysgolwch yn dda.
The train now approaching platform 1 is the 1806 service to Bristol Temple Meads. Calling at Bristol Temple Meads only. Platform 1 for the 1806 service to Bristol Temple Meads.
Y tren sy'n nesau at platfform 1 yw gwasanaeth 6 munud wedi 6 o'r gloch I Bristol Temple Meads. Yn galw Bristol Temple Meads yn unig. Platform 1 am y gwasanaeth 6 munud wedi 6 o'r gloch I Bristol Temple Meads.
All of our trains and stations are no smoking areas. Please do not smoke until you have left the station premises.
Mae'n trenau angorsafoedd I gyd yn ardaloedd dim ysmygu. Peidiwch â ysmygu tan I chi adael yr orsaf os gwelwch yn dda.
This platform slopes towards the track. For safety, if you have a pram or wheelchair, make sure you apply its brake when stationary. Mae'r platfform yma ar lethr tuag at y trac. Mwyn diogelwch, os oes gennych bram neu gadair olwyn, sicrhewch eich bod chi'n defnyddio'r brêc pan yn llonydd.
Please do not leave your luggage unattended on the station. Luggage left unattended may be removed without warning or damaged or destroyed by the security services.
Peidiwch â gadael eich eiddo heb neb I ofalu amdano os gwelwch yn dda. Gall eiddo sydd wedi adael gael ei symud, ei ddifa neu ddifrodi gan gwasanaethau diogelwch.
Must wear a face covering on Transport for Wales train services, unless you're exempt. Please keep it on for the duration of your journey. Thank you for your cooperation.
Your attention please. We are sorry that the 1814 service to Taunton is delayed by approximately 33 minutes. This is due to congestion. Your attention please. We are sorry that the 1932 service to Milford Haven is delayed by approximately 10 minutes. This is due to animals on the railway. Transport for Wales apologises for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda. Mae'n ddrwg gennym bod gwasanaeth 28 munud I 8 o'r gloch I Aberdaugleddau wedi oedi o ddeutu 10 munud. Mae hyn o ganlyniad I trafnidiaeth Cymru yn ymddiheuro am yr oedi hwn ac am unrhyw anghyfleustra a bosib I chi.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 1944 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour. Calling at Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Meads, Bar Spa, Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge, Westbury, Warminster, Salisbury, Romsey, Redbridge, Millbrook, Southampton Central, Southampton Airport Parkway, Eastleigh, Hedge End, Botley, Barham, Fratton, Portsmouth and Southsea and Portsmouth Harbour. Platform 4 for the 1944 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. Please note that this train will call additionally at Redbridge and Millbrook today. Train stops in zones 3 to 7, cycle spaces in zones 4 and 6, wheelchair facilities in zone 7.
Y tren nesaf I gyrraedd platfform 4 fydd y gwasanaeth 16 munud I 8 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I Harbour Portsmouth. Yn galw yn Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Meads, Caerfaddon, Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge, Westbury, Warminster, Caersellog, Romsey, Redbridge, Millbrook, Southampton Central, Southampton Airport Parkway, Eastleigh, Hedge End, Botley, Fareham, Fratton, Portsmouth and Southsea a Harbour Portsmouth. Platform 4 am y gwasanaeth 16 munud I 8 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I Harbour Portsmouth. Pan yn ymuno'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a'r platfform. Ysgolwch yn dda. Nodwch ysgolwch yn dda bod y tren hwn yn galw yn Redbridge a Millbrook heddiw a.
Your attention please. We are sorry that the 2014 service to Cardiff Central is delayed by approximately 13 minutes. This is due to a points failure. Cross Country apologises for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda. Mae'n ddrwg gennym bod gwasanaeth 14 munud wedi 8 o'r gloch i Gaerdydd Canolog wedi oedi o ddeutu 13 munud. Mae hyn o ganlyniad i mae Cross Country yn ymddiheuro am yr oedi hwn ac am unrhyw anghyfleustre a achosir i chi.